student, Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher from class nursery. This is your English book. Open your book. Look at page number 15. Today we review and memorize letter C. And what is the sound of letter C? K. K, cat. K, cat. K, cat. K, car. K, car. K, carrot. K, carrot. K, cow. K, cow. Today we do page number 17. In this page we trace and write letter C. Letter C and the sound is K. K is grass letter. Which letter is this? Grass letter. Letter C and it's grass letter. Today we show you how we write letter C and the sound is K. How we write K? We start from second line and go round and stop it here in third line. C and the sound is K. K is curvy shape. Start from second line and go round and stop it in third line. K is curvy shape. K, curvy. K, curvy. Dear students, now write with me K. How we write K? You start from second line and go round and stop it here in third line. Look at here, this is dot. You start from dot and start from second line, go round and stop it here in third line. K. What is this? K. What is this? K. Again, write with me K. Now read with me K, 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 K. This is your today's lesson. Do it at home. Okay, Allah Hafiz.